My name is Samuel Cross. I'm from Nome, Alaska.
My name is Jacob Weber. I'm from Buckland, Alaska.
I'm Anna Warnock. I'm from Anchorage.
I'm Jillian Ritchie, and I'm an archaeologist for the National Park Service based out of the Fairbanks office, and I'm one of the instructors at this camp. First of all, we're in a spectacular, beautiful location with fantastic archaeology, and we have a great group of both students and staff and visitors who came to be a part of this trip.
I chose to come to archaeology camp mostly because of the free college credits, but also because I was very interested in finding out more about archaeology within our region. I didn't know that there was so much stuff going on around here.
I think the coolest thing that I've learned is how to think like an archaeologist. You know, there's a pile of rocks over there, and that pile of rocks isn't a pile of rocks anymore. It's proof, it's evidence that humans hundreds of years ago were maneuvering and shaping the land to hunt or to cook or to do all these amazing things.
Like, I learned about radiocarbon dating and how to look for artifacts and what you do when you find an artifact. We got to go out in the field and actually do the work that they do for their job.
I didn't know they used to use bolos, more than one bolo. I learned that they can find out how old it is and when they first made it.
I learned a whole lot about archaeology. At first, my idea of archaeology was, sort of arrowheads and dry bones, but I realized that it's a whole lot more than that. There's all sorts of things that come into play when you talk about archaeology.
I actually learned a lot from the students and the elders and the other people that were attending this camp, and people bringing their own backgrounds and interests and heritage into the interpretation of artifacts and sites that we look at as archaeologists. I think everyone brings their own perspective to it, and it was really interesting for me to see how other people and other students view archaeology.
My favorite part about the trip, I really liked the storytelling because I'm a storyteller myself, and I found an opportunity whenever elders would come and tell a story. It was an opportunity for me to learn those stories. I really liked classifying the different artifacts and working the soil probe and working the GPS and stuff. And, taking cameras and videos over here, every once in a while. It's fun.
My favorite part about the trip was one, learning that I could do things that I never thought I'd be able to. I've been able to go out, survey, and work with real archaeologists. And another was meeting everybody and making a lot of new friends.
My favorite part was meeting everybody, getting to know everybody. I thought we were gonna be quiet the whole week, but it turns out we have a lot in common. We have so much to laugh about and joke around.
I'm probably gonna miss the food the most, because that was really good food.
Andrew?
I'm gonna miss all the attention and all my friends, hanging out and doing a lot, and mostly laughing with them.
I think I'll miss all the good energy that everyone brought to the camp.
The people.